What's up guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. In today's video I will show you a simple trading strategy with only two indicators. I will show the strategy today at the Euro-US dollar market and in the 5-minute time frame. But you will see that this strategy is adaptable to almost any market and any time frame. As always, before trading with real money, make sure to make a proper backtest by yourself and start with a demo account at the beginning. With that being said, let's start right away with our setup. As already said, we will need two indicators today for the setup, which are totally free. So let's start with loading them in. For this, first click in the Indicators tab, and the first indicator is called MACD plus 200 SMA strategy by ChartArt. So this one, click on it and load it in. It looks now maybe a little bit messy, but you can already minimize this window so it looks a little bit better. The second indicator will be the follow line indicator by TradBlitz, this one. So we load it in as well, and let's make some changes to it. So at the MACD we will go into the style section and uncheck the background color, and we uncheck the first and the second plot. And we also want to uncheck the trades on chart. Click OK, and this is our first indicator. For the follow line indicator, we will do the same. So we click on the settings, go into the style section, and here we want to uncheck our trend line. Click OK, and our setup is already done. Let's have a look now into our trading rules. So for long trade, we have three conditions that we want to have met. So our first condition is that the market is above our 200 SMA. Second, we want our SMA has to be green. So our market is above our green line. If this condition is met, then third, we are waiting for a buy signal like this one over here or this one over here. And it is very important that the buy signal comes with a green candle. If this condition is met, we can enter our trade. We will put our stop loss below the recent swing low, and as always, we will trade with a risk-reward ratio of 1:2. So these are our rules for long trade. And as you can see, we have here a very good example. So our market is above the 200 SMA. Our SMA is green as well. We have a long trade and we have a green candle. So if this candle is closing, we can enter our trade. We go at the recent swing low, set our risk-reward ratio to 2, and as you can see here, we hit our target. So these are the pretty simple rules for a long trade. Let's have a look now into the rules of a short trade. As always, the rules for a short trade are pretty much opposite to the rules of a long trade. So first, we are looking for a market that is below our 200 SMA. Second, we want our SMA in a red color. Third, we want a short signal, and as already at the long signal, in this time the short signal has to come at a red candle. When these conditions are met, we are ready to enter our short trade. We will put our stop loss, in this case right above our recent swing high, and we will put a risk-reward ratio of 1:2. So these are the rules of a short trade. As you can see, we have a very good example over here. So we have a short signal. Our SMA is in red. The market is obviously below the red line. The enter signal is at a red candle. So when this candle is closing, at the next candle, we are good to enter our trade. We put a stop loss at the recent swing high, right over here at a risk reward ratio of 2, and here we hit the target of our trade. So these are the rules of a short trade. As you guys can see, the rules are pretty straightforward. So for our backtesting, we will test 50 trades and see how long it will take to enter or to hit the 50 trades. We will risk 2% of our capital each time in a chance for get 4% as we are trading with a risk reward ratio of 1 to 2. Let's start with the backtesting right now and see how it works. We have now finished our backtesting with our 50 total trades. From our 50 trades, we had 37 wins and 13 losses, which gives us a win rate of 74% and a total profit of 228% or $228 of profit in or as we have started with $100 initial capital. So from our $100, we turned the $100 into $328 actually when we count our profit on top of it. Our profit factor were 5.69%, which is quite good. Our largest win were 4% and the largest loss 2% as we are trading always with a risk reward ratio of 1 to 2. Our maximum consecutive wins were 8 in a row, which was right over here, and these maximum consecutive losses were 2 in a row, and our maximum drawdown were 3.96%. In my opinion, this strategy is very profitable. Maybe it is not that profitable as some other strategies, as it took a little bit longer for us to get these 50 trades. But as we have more time between the trades, it might be a little bit more relaxed. So it depends what kind of trading you prefer. But if you are more the trader that likes, let's say, less signals, this strategy could be very, very good for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Write in the comments if you have any suggestions for another video. If you haven't done so far, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to not miss any new video in the future. And let's see you in the next video. So see you soon.